Hi Mumu, let's make a jumping triangle together. This is so fun. Fold a cross sign. Fold a triangle to the middle point. Fold 3 times in total. Do the same to the other side. Open up. Line 1 is the middle line. Line 2. Fold this line. Then continue to fold. Do the same to the other side. Flip to the back. Fold the tip to the midpoint. Do the same to the other side. Now, insert one end to the other. Fold inwards at each side of the triangle. Moo, you're done. This is so fun to play with.